Now let me explain to you what is expression in JavaScript. For example, 2 plus 2 minus 5 is expression. And expression is always evaluated to specific value in JavaScript. And the best way to demonstrate to you what is expression is to use console here in the web browser. And if I type same here in the console, like that, and press enter, I'll get -1. And that's a result of the evaluation of this particular expression. JavaScript performed those operations, it added 2 and 2 and afterwards deducted 5, and result is -1. So here is expression, and here is result of this expression. If you type, for example, simply ABC, it is also expression, and it is evaluated to string ABC. Call to the function is also expression, and I could call log method of the console object like that, type here ABC for example, I'll get undefined as a result of this log method call. It means that this expression was evaluated to value undefined. Of course, here on this line I see ABC because actually this function prints what you pass here as argument to the console. But it is an expression. It is evaluated to value, in this example undefined. Of course, functions might return values of other types, not just undefined. And I could demonstrate to you that by calling other function that is available here in the web browser, it is date, starting with uppercase D, like that. And let's call it, and as a result I get string. It means that here on this line we also see expression. And this expression, function call, is evaluated to such string in this example. It returns date and time in string format. Alright, these are examples of expressions. Here, 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 or here. Let's proceed.